The fundamental difference, Excel versus Access.
Hello everyone. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of Microsoft Office Suite to explore two of its most popular tools, Excel and Access. Both of these applications are incredibly powerful, but they serve different purposes and are optimized for different tasks. The key question we'll answer today is, what is the main difference between Excel and Access?
What is Excel?
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is primarily designed for individual users and excels, no pun intended, in tasks like data entry, calculations, and problem solving. With Excel, you can create tables, charts, and graphs to analyze or visualize your data. Its main strengths are its calculation features, data analysis functions, and the ability to handle flat data sources, meaning there's a single table of data.
What is Access?
On the other hand, Microsoft Access is a database management system, DBMS. Access is designed for larger amounts of data and multiple users. It works particularly well when your data is complex and relational. That is, when you have multiple tables of data that need to interact with each other. With Access, you can maintain and analyze larger datasets, create forms for data entry, and produce a variety of reports.
Excel versus Access, the main difference.
So, what's the main difference between Excel and Access? In a nutshell, while Excel is best suited for individual tasks and simple data, Access is the go-to for larger, more complex datasets and multi-user environments. Excel is typically used for tasks such as budgeting, financial forecasting, project management, and other similar tasks where data relationships are simple and flat. Access, on the other hand, is best for tasks that involve complex queries, creating and managing relational databases, and dealing with larger volumes of data. In summary, while both Excel and Access are incredibly useful tools, their main difference lies in their application. Excel is a spreadsheet tool optimized for calculations and data analysis on a smaller scale, while Access is a database system that's designed to handle larger, more complex data structures and multi-user environments. Choosing the right tool depends on the task at hand. So, analyze your data needs and pick the tool that suits you best. We hope this comparison helps you understand the differences between Excel and Access better. Thanks for tuning in.